This video will demonstrate how to add an item to a content area. First, select a content area from your menu. Next, make sure that edit mode is on. A content item is located under Build Content. Item is probably the most readily used tool in Blackboard. It's a great way to deliver content, files, or just provide information to your course participants. When you click Create Item, notice the first thing you'll need to do is give it a title. This, being asterisk, demonstrates that it is a required field. For the demonstration, I just type sample. Next, you have color of name. By selecting the down arrow, you'll notice a palette of various colors that are available. The colors will change the text of the name in the box. The area in which to add all sorts of information is the WYSIWYG, or the visual editor. You want to make sure this is on, and when it is, you have the ability to add all sorts of information here. It's much like a Word document, where you can change the text and the fonts, bold, italicize, you can align, bullet, spell check, copy and paste, highlight, and you can upload, embed, and attach all sorts of file types: video, audio, flash, and so forth. Within this palette, you have the ability to do pretty much anything. If you have files already created, an easy way to attach files is in step 2. For instance, let's say I have a worksheet that I've had for years stored on my computer, and I want the students to have access to that particular file. What I can do is, in the WYSIWYG, type out the instructions. I can explain to the students that they need to click the attached file, download, complete the worksheet, and turn it in. To attach the file, simply browse the computer, find it, and submit it. Or, if you're saving files in your content area, you can browse your course files and do the same. As we scroll down, notice Permit Users to View This Content. It's defaulted to Yes. However, if you don't want the participants to see the information quite yet, you can create it and just turn it off, meaning you're not making it available even though it's completed and ready to use whenever you choose. Here you can track the number of views, but that's defaulted to No. And here you can actually set up date ranges so it will turn off and turn on whenever you should decide based on the date ranges that you provide. Once the content item is completed, you merely submit. What happens then, it will show up at the bottom of the content area in which you placed it. And there it is, the sample. Notice here I can change the sequence of these items by merely dragging and dropping on the page. I also can do some editing to this item. By clicking the down arrow, notice I can click Edit and go back in and make changes as needed. I have the ability to set up all sorts of adaptive release rules on the particular item. That, though, we'll save for later. Hopefully you will find this video beneficial to enable you to add items to your course.